For stitch braiding, it's all about prepping. You need clean straight parts and even sections. Hi, I am Nastacia Brady, better known on social media as Nas the Stylist. Today I will be demonstrating a popular style called stitch braiding. We will need hair jam, edge control, mousse, sheen spray, braiding hair, edge brush, of course a parting comb and some clips. Now usually for this, I would start with a freshly washed and blow dry hair. It is recommended because it helps the client to wear the style longer, and also as a braider, it helps me to better manage the hair while braiding. So for stitch braiding, it's all about prepping. You need clean straight parts and even sections. So I like to start with a straight part down the middle, splitting the hair in two halves. I apply the hair jam when parting to assist in creating clean straight parts. A style like this normally takes approximately 2 hours to complete. The length of time needed for each braided style is based on how complex the style is. For example, knotless braids can take anywhere between 4 to 12 hours based on the size and the length. The styles that take longer to get done will most likely be worn for longer periods, from anywhere between 1 to 3 months. Stitch braid styles, on the other hand, will last anywhere between 1 to 4 weeks with proper care. In order to get the most out of a style, I recommend covering with a satin bonnet and also applying your preferred oil to your scalp 2 to 3 times per week. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've learned something new. We would like to know in the comment section if this is a style that you would wear. Don't forget to subscribe to Hair.com and also follow me on Instagram and YouTube at Nas_the Stylist. Thank you.